Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, July the 5th, 2024, first Friday of the month. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8849. 8849. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here one, there one. Double, here one, there one. Double, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O, double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. Double one here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. And double O here, one, there one. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, this one is well quick to solve. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.